What's up, Brian?
This is our tutorial of how to make an airsoft, grenade. First, you need an explosive. I'm using an M60 because I'm a man. And here's a ping pong ball. First, you gotta take the ping pong ball and put a hole in it big enough for the whatever side I was using to fit in, and then you put a hole in the bottom. And you put like that. Put the wick right through the hole, just like that. That's how a man does work. Alright. Here we go. Then you fill the rest with BBs. Here we go, finished product, it's right here. It's nice. Normally you can tape here if you want, but I don't want to because I'm awesome. And here's my Zippo. And alright, here we go. Time to light this baby off. Alright, here we go. Put that right there. And you might want to back up a little bit, just to let you know. Because this is probably going to explode, and it might actually really hurt if you don't. Get away. Get away! Okay, that's perfect. Oh! Now that's an airsoft grenade.